Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through the order process with the Home Depot. So like I have mentioned before, if you're not a resident in the US, you can't order with just any credit card. You will have to use a service that provides you with a credit card number as well as a billing address. And if you don't have those two things, your order will be canceled. So again, go ahead and scroll through the Home Depot and find a category and an item that you would like to buy. Okay, so I jumped over into the lighting fixtures and let's select this item for this example. It's important for me to mention again that you cannot make the orders from the Home Depot with just any credit card or any PayPal account. The reason for this is because the Home Depot is just not accepting outside of US buyers. Okay, so now here you can see the price of the item, the taxes, the shipping, and all of that. And of course, you're going to want to check the address that you are sending this to, whether it be your own address or your buyer's address that you're drop shipping this item to. And if you're not using that address, you can always go over to the right side and add another address. And then if you already have a couple addresses here listed, you can go to the bottom and click on where it says add a new address. This is where you will provide the information for the new address, first name, last name, phone, shipping address, and zip code. And of course, when you have the address filled in, you're just gonna go ahead and fill out the payment information as well. And of course, then at the bottom, you're just gonna go ahead and click on place order. And then you have the thanks for shopping with us and your order number, of course, your order total as well. You can also use the order number and jump into your orders and purchases. And here you can see your order. And of course, when your item is shipped, you're going to receive a tracking number, which will be here.